Hello, my name is Mr. Singh from CompuGroup Medical Malaysia, CGM. This video is to show user or customer with a general view of the XDent, which I will scroll you through the whole program. This is the login screen. I just did a login. And immediately you will greet by the main menu. Okay. The main menu, we have a little tool here for the settings. Okay, and this one is the user for easy swapping of changing of users. We move to practitioner. Here we can switch doctors. Move to patient. We can do registration, edit patient info, the demographics. From here, my card reader is usable. Okay, for registration, we click add. Here we can do registration under personal data, the record for doctor to access. To access the clinic notes, to charge and to do charting, and we have the charting over here. It's charting, how we do simple charting, right? The clinical data. Here we can do charging of consultation and so on. And look at the left here, we have records. We have conservative record, endodontic, implant, autosave, and period chart. Right? And for the multimedia is X-rays and videos, DSLR, intraoral camera images for the patient. The status is the radiographic status, like the layout 21. Where we can click and drag the images inside. Treatment plan, to create a new treatment plan. This is the default one. Create a treatment plan called endo, let's say. Right? So, and endo will be showed here. Is a treatment plan. You can change the date and stuff. And recall patient after 6 months if he's doing scaling. Manageable through the CRM screen, and quotation. Then we can issue a quotation for the patient before the treatment start. There's a lot of information here. Okay, I will cover in separate videos. The MCs, the consent forms, right? For other data, we have accounting reference. This is important here. You can change the invoice name to other names, like family members or family payer. XDent will capture advance payment as well. It's family relationship, just a record of family that will do treatment in your clinic. Agenda, we will have the scheduling. All right, this is a favorite screen for everybody in the clinic. Daily, We have weekly, daily, and weekly group. Let's say you have multiple doctors. You can see a few doctors in one day. And we have a group practice. This is generally your surgery or occupancy. Seat 1, dental chair 1, dental chair 2. Daily group practices. You can create extra seats and x-ray rooms as a practice. Resources is actually edit of the practice and practitioners. Okay, you can add doctor's name, delete doctor name. Practices is what I said. Or we can add an x-ray room or surgery tree. Next, we have treatments. Price list, treatments will be recorded here. The price is changeable for a privileged user. And we have 3 prices automatically set. Basis, silver, gold. Normally, we would choose basis as a default. And each treatment will have default treatment notes, all right, to ease the entry. And we have associated record for consultation, for scaling and polishing. Scaling and polishing, I will have 6 months recall. Next, we have multimedia. This is video and images archive of all patients. Video capturing and import image and videos to patient and the general archive or the general archive. Next, we have CRM, customer relationship service. Okay, we can send birthday wishes to particular on today a particular patient. All right, you can send and receive messages here. Even the patient is SMS, using SMS, your message will show here, received, notification text, phone numbers, patient. Communication management. This is the recalls that you have. We can choose January 2019 that I have 2 recalls for this month. These windows can be set open automatically if recalls is the first thing to do in the morning when the clinic is open. News management. This is to edit the app, the XInfo app, and how you want to show your information like brochures, flyers, and clinic news to a patient that using. To use this app is free. Patient we don't need to pay. We issue a password, username and password from this location. All right. Every patient will get a username and password by just clicking a button here. Stock, we have records, expired, below safety stock. All right. So say I have zirconia, I have acrosia medication I bought from Pharma ABC company. XDent, control stocks, expired dates, and we issue the stock is deductible every time the nurse or you issue the stock. We can do unloading and transfer and inventory valuation of stuff. This is the value, this is the stock level. as this date. Reports is a favorite section for clinic managers and clinic owner. We can calculate our sales volume, but please select the date from here. From the 3rd January to 3rd January, right? And we have sales volume. We have revenue. Sales volume is the total sales. Okay, you might have a lot of sales, but the revenue and revenue detail is the money that you collected back. We have payment, reports, payment to supplier, payment to lab, income expenditure if you want to track telephonic expenditure and stuff. We have practitioners for the practitioner report, either by commission, treatment performed, and output. Here we can calculate doctor's commission. The system will show you a report and we can export it to Excel. All right. So as it look like a report. It's a standard report, and we export to Excel. Yes, it's show total here. It's treatment performed. With data. And at last, we have services. This is the chat window. This is for Xinfo settings. For Xsync, if you use Xsync for multiple clinics and client server, and Xbackup. It's backup to cloud. So yeah, that's the video for complete cover of XDent in general. Thank you. Have a nice day.